space unfolds. And in between, we find each other. A breath here, a heartbeat there, a gesture that travels farther than we ever could. What we send, what we carry, what arrives, it's more than motion. It's memory, it's promise, it's presence. Across borders, through silence, beyond distance. We are connected, not by chance, but by design. By the quiet force that draws lines between lives. What moves is not just a thing, but the reason behind it. A need, a hope, a human. This is how time touches space. This is how space holds time. And this is how we stay close, even when we're far.